Okay, so for this assignment, it's going to be a little bit of an ongoing assignment, but for now, here's what you're working on. We're going to make an Excel that you should now be able to type in the percent, the total, and actually get your new price. So here's what we want. In your first box, let's call it discount percent. And keep in mind, if your wording is too big, put your mouse between the A and the B and change your cursor to this shape and double click, and it will automatically resize. So in the first box, discount percent. Next one, original price. Third box, new price. And I'm going to click, drag, and highlight the boxes right below. And right up here under the name of the font, click this drop down arrow and put all my borders in. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm actually going to copy this, come down, and I'm going to change discount to text. I'm going to come down a little further, paste it again, control copy, and paste it again. And I'm going to change this to tip. So take a minute, set your board up the way it is now. So the idea will be, I should be able to type in my discount percent, type in how much the object costs, and actually get my new price automatically calculated for me. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the first one, and then I will let you work the next two. So discount, let's say something is 15% off. I want to actually be able to just type in the number. Don't put 15%. That'll kind of change things. So you don't want 15 with a percent sign. All we need is 15. Let's change that. There we go. And this is getting worse. Okay, so, well, it's good this is happening because as soon as you put a percent sign in, it changes the format. So click on this box and go up here in the center of your screen. Do you see where it says percentage? Change it to general. And I can delete that and put in 15 and be done. So don't put in the percent sign. It kind of messes things up. We want to leave it at general. So let's say it's 15% and my original price is, I don't know, $45.62. This one you can make money if you want to be fancy with it. So we'll go up here and change this to currency. So now it just reads $45.62. So now here's where the math comes in. So what am I doing here? Well, equals. I need to figure out, first of all, what percentage I'm dealing with. Okay, so there's two ways you can do this. You can do 15% times this and then subtract it away from my original price. Okay, the other way you could do it is, well, if I'm saving 15%, that means I'm actually paying 85% of it. So you could do a calculation to figure out the 85 and then take that 85 times this. Up to you how you want to do it. I'm going to go 15% of this and then subtract it from this. So let's put in some parentheses here. And I want A2, but here's a way to keep in mind. This is the whole number 15, but as 15 as a percent would actually be, when you go from a percent to a decimal, you move the decimal left twice, so it'd be 0.15. So I have to convert this to a decimal. So I'm going to take A2 divided by 100. That now makes it 0.15. I'm going to multiply that by B2 and close my parentheses. So now what this figures out is the actual discount amount. Well, I want all that and I want it subtracted away from B2. So watch this. I'm going to go in the front of my parentheses, put a minus sign, and put B2 in front. So what do I have? I have my original price minus away 15% of the original price. Hit enter, and that's my new price. Okay, so again, we want to be able to put in the raw percentage number, like 15%, the original price, and then it automatically calculate my new price. So let's say I change, let's say it's now, let's make it easy, 50%. And let's make this 100. Half off of 100 would be 50%. I should now be able to change this to 12%. All right, saves me $12, and now I have $88 left over. Okay, so this one now is working. And again, I can click on this so you can see the formula again. Your job is to replicate this, but now I want it to work for tax and also tip. Okay, now we will add more. Oops, I don't want that. Control Z. Take that out, hit enter. We will add more here next week, but for today, I want you to get these 3 done. You don't have to send it to me, just work it so it's done, and then we'll add more in next week. By the way, title it, save this. I would just call it, let's do this. Let's do your last name, and let's call it percent calculator. So save it as your last name and percent calculator. Right, so that's your job. Make an Excel, discount, tax, tip, original price, new price. I should be able to put a number here, and get my new price calculated out for all 3. And then save it, don't send it to me yet, and then we will add into it for next week. All right, good luck.